Okay, in this video we will demonstrate a simple output and input and output function. These functions that we will utilize to accomplish a program called echo or get char and put char. Get char fetches the letters for us from the screen, and the put char prints a character or a letter on the screen. We'll use a printf statement to print an instruction for the user, and we will declare a simple variable to accomplish this. And echo program is again a simple program that will simply echoes whatever the user has typed on the screen. Right, I will demonstrate the program for us. Let's go ahead to the prompt. A.out is the program we have at the moment. So it says enter a string, so I'm entering AEIOU. Let me do it again. If you notice here, as I'm typing the letters, right, the system is not responding to our program at all. It's just waiting for us to hit the enter key. Until then, it just saves all these letters in its internal buffer. Okay, as soon as you hit the enter key, the getChar function that we call, what it does is it goes to the internal buffer where the letters we typed are stored and fetches the first letter for us. And when it's done fetching the first letter, it somehow remembers where it left off. And next time when you call getChar, it knows you call it for the second time, it fetches the second letter. Similarly, third time, it fetches the letter I. Fourth time you calling, letter O. Fifth time, letter U. And the sixth time, it even fetches the end of line. This end of line is created by the enter key. Alright, we are going to hit the enter key, and that sixth letter end of line is also part of the internal buffer we have. And alright, so that's how the getChar works. It goes to the internal buffer, sees the letters, and fetches each and every letter whenever we call. The putChar function is a very simple function. It just prints the letters for us, nothing else. It just prints the characters on the screen. There's a different ways how to print. A putChar with a parameter within single quotes, it will print the uppercase A for us, C, and end of line. So we will go over these letters and what they mean soon, probably in another video. Okay, so that's how the echo function works, and we'll jump into the program. All right, echo program, and we saw the instruction enter a string. The PowerPoint as the description about the printf statement, so I'll just skip that for the moment. And get char equal ch equal get char. So this is when we assume the internal buffer has already been created, and the get char returns, because we are calling for the first time, it fetches the letter A. Alright, I'm supposed to use nano here. I didn't use, so maybe in the next video we will use nano. And the first time we called is fetches the letter A and assigns to a variable called ch, and put char picks that variable ch and prints the value for us. Alright, and similarly get char we calling for the second time, it stores in ch, and put char prints that letter e for us. So if you have to just call the get char and put char 6 times because we have 6 letters. In the next program, we will use a while loop or for loop to efficiently process these letters for us. Okay, but for now that will do it. So as long as you understand that get char fetches the letters from the internal buffer, and it fetches even the end of line. Alright, so this is how our program works. We compile that. Alright, sorry. We'll save it. We'll compile echo and a dot out. It's a simple A-E-I-O-U. It shows our strings. So that finishes our video on the main functions we have used, get char and put char. Okay, there is a simple pop quiz for you guys. If you go at the end of this slide, there are simple questions. If you could just answer them and try to understand how the put char and get char works. Okay, thank you.